need evidence, possible witnesses.
Well, after all that time, it's going to be tricky. What, town and parish records?
Sure, we can do that. How far back do you want us to go?
As far back as you can. We don't sleep till we find them. Toshiko, keep checking for sightings. There's got to be some way of tracing them. Yanto, with me, I need your local knowledge.
Oh, is that what you're calling it these days?
So, two people who should have been dead for years. What kind of creatures are they?
No one ever knew the night travelers were coming. They just appear from nowhere. Not like the team I was with. We'd send out flyers, bang drums, blow whistles. Ours was a small company, working in the UK, trying to find paying customers. I was sent to investigate rumors of the night travelers.
By who?
Long story. So I joined a traveling show. I was billed as the man who couldn't die. The night travelers always found an audience. They knew where to look.
Step along now, ladies and gentlemen. Come and see the show of a lifetime. Fill your eyes with the spectacle of the tattooed man. Witness for yourselves the superhuman strength of the mighty Stromboli. He can take on Samson, Goliath, and Hercules with one arm tied behind his back, and still have strength to dig their grave. Come along now, ladies and gentlemen. The night won't wait forever. Come and see the amazing Pearl. She lives in water. She sleeps among the waves. She can reach the bottom of the oceans. She has swum the 7 seas. She is the nearest thing that you will ever see to a living mermaid. She will take your breath away.
How many other old cinemas are there in Cardiff?
Most of them have been pulled down.
And the ones that are left?
Converted. This one is a pub. 4-pint jugs for a £5 and girls in free before 11.
I'm registering the sea. The sea. Inland. Running through the center of town. What is it?
I thought I saw something.
So what?
Ghosts.
Don't be stupid.
So the Electro is the only one left?
Could the night travelers have performed there?
Possibly.
If cinema killed the traveling show, maybe this is their way of fighting back. Their only chance to escape before every old movie theater and piece of film has gone. What better way to get revenge?
They were left forgotten. On pieces of film.
And now they're looking for a new audience. What is it, Tosh?
She was picking up the sea.
In the middle of town.
It's gone now. I was getting the sound of waves. Seagulls. Could almost smell the ozone.
No other sightings? What the hell are they up to?